my channel Basic Maths Concepts. So in this video you are learning about chapter 12 Heron's formula, exercise 12.2, second problem. So see the second problem, that is Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with a colored paper as shown in the figure. So we have to find the total area of the paper used. So we have to find the total area of paper used. The paper has been divided into 5 parts. This is the first part, second part, third part and fourth part, fifth part. Total 5 parts. So we have to find the one part and we have to add the total parts, that is, so we'll get the total area of the paper used. So see the first part. So to find the solution, to find the first part, by using Heron's formula, I'm using here, by using Heron's formula, I'm using here Heron's formula. By A value is 5 centimeters, we have 5 centimeters, this side 5 centimeters, this side 5 centimeters, and this breadth is 1 centimeters. So here the measurement and here the measurement will be same. Yes, so I am taking the measurement here as 1 centimeters. So A is equals to 5 centimeters and B is equals to 5 centimeters and C is equals to 1 centimeters. So we have to find the first S value, that is S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Yes, so these implies 5 plus 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 2. So the answer is 5.5 centimeters square. So we got the S value as 5.5 centimeters. Sorry, it's not centimeter square. So next the area of the triangle we have to find is equals to root S of S minus A of S minus B of S minus C. So now substitute the S value and ABC values here. So these implies root S is 5.5, 5.5 of 5.5 minus 5 and 5.5 minus 5 and 5.5 minus 1. So we have to subtract here, that is 5.5 minus 5, 5.5 minus 5, 5.5 minus 1. So subtract here 5.5 minus 5, that is 0.5. So this implies root 5.5 into 0.5 and this is the same into 0.5 and 5.5 minus 1. So 4.5. So into 4.5. So now multiply this. So these implies 0.5 into 5 root 1.1 into 0.9. So we'll get here as 0.5 into 5 into root 1.1 into 0.9. So these implies we'll get here as 2 root 5 into 0.9. So we'll get here as 0.99. Sorry, root 2 root 5 into 0.99. So these implies 2.5 into 0.994 approximately we'll get here. By approximately we'll get here as 2.5 into 0.994 approximately. So by approximately we'll get here as 2.48 by approximately, or we can say here as 2.5 centimeters, or we can say as 2.5 centimeters square. So we have found out the first part. The area of the first part is 2.5 centimeters square. So next we have to find the second part. So second part we can find very simple, that is area of the second part, that is length into breadth. So we can find very easy, that is length is 6.5 centimeters and the breadth is 1 centimeter. So this implies 6.5 into 1, that is 6.5 centimeters square. So we have find out the second part also. So next we have to find the third part, that is area of third part. Area of third part by we have to find by half into height, that is sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. So these implies half into the height is, what is the height of the third part? The height of the third part is 1 centimeter. So 1 of the parallel sides we are having 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1. So these implies half into 3, that is 3 by 2, that is 1.5 centimeters square. So next area of the fourth part. Area of the fourth part. To find the fourth part, that is half into base into height. Half into base into height. Yes. So to find the fourth part, the what is the base? What is the height? The base is 6 centimeters. The base, see here, 6 centimeters. Actually, the sides it will be straight. So we have to think that this is also 6 centimeters. And what is the height of that? The height of the is 1.5 centimeters, because this will be same. This will be same to the same. So these implies half into 6 into 1.5. Yes. So now we can do here cancellation. That is 2 1s are 2 3s are. So multiply here 1.5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 4. So 4.5. So these implies 4.5 centimeters square. So we got the fourth part also. So to find the fifth part, the fifth part is same. Why? Because this and this will be same, because the area and the length will be same. So area of the fifth part is equals to 4.5 centimeters. Right directly here. So we got the all 5 parts. So now add all the 5 parts here. So we have tried here total. So see in the question, total area of paper used is equals to area of first one plus area of second one and area of third one plus area of fourth one plus area of fifth one. So we got some values now here and here. Sorry, here and here we got some values now here and here. So now add this all values here. That is, this implies we got first value is 2.5 and the second value is 6.5 and third value we got 1.5, fourth we got 4.5 and fifth is the same, that is also 4.5. Yes. So now add this all one. So now add here. So I am adding here, that is 2.5 and 6.5 and 1.5, 4.5 and 4.5. Now add here 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 5 is equals to 20. Sorry 5 5 is equals to 25. So now 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 2 10, 11 plus 8 is 19. So we got 195 here. So now we have to convert into points. That is 19.5 centimeter square is the answer. So the total area. So you must write the last sentence, that is, therefore the total area of paper used by Radha is 19.5 centimeter square. So this is the third problem of exercise 12.2, third one. So if you like this video, please like, and if you have any doubts, give in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to Basic Maths Concepts. See you on the next week.